Hello everyone, you were asking me to make some steak. So today I'm gonna make it for you. I'm gonna show you how you can make delicious dish with striploin steak, carrots cooked in African spices, dates puree with red wine and shallot cups. And before we start the recipe, I wanna make some challenge for you. Whenever you're gonna cook one of my dishes, take a picture, post it on your Instagram stories, tag me there, and I'm gonna give you some feedback on it. Good luck! I start with my dates puree. I will cook dry dates in mixture of water and red wine, half by half. Season it with salt and pepper and cook it until dates will be very soft. Something like this. And last step is to blitz everything in the machine, and red wine dates puree is done. Now I peel some carrots so they are ready for later. Also clean top of the carrots with a knife if you wanna use the green part. And now it's time to start with the steak. Big piece of meat like this will take at least 20 minutes to cook, so I will start now and then finish the rest of my garnish. Just make sure you season it properly, otherwise your steak will be bland. And don't forget even sides of the steak. Now I will do nice crust around. Make sure your pan is hot enough so you sear the steak properly. And then just put the steak inside the oven to finish your proper doneness. Now just deglaze the pan with red wine and leave it to reduce down. Now I mix Ras Al Hanout spices with water and salt, and I will cook my carrots inside. In this time is wine reduced, so I put some stock in and reduce it more. I start cooking my shallots in salted boiling water and also my carrots. Now I just transfer my sauce in smaller pan and finish it with butter. And basic red wine sauce is done. Meat is cooked, so I take it out of the oven and leave it to rest on the side. Also shallots are cooked, so I peel them and keep just nice cups. And if you like today's recipe guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to go like a pro at home. And now I just burn the sides, so they get better flavor and color. Carrots are ready as well, so just cut them in half and they are ready to go. Last thing is to cut portion of my meat and I'm ready for plating. Today I'm gonna do two platings options. The second one you can see on my Patreon page. Get the link in the description down below. I start with nice piece of my striploin steak on the plate. Then coming carrots cooked in Ras El Hanout spices, burnt shallot cups, few black olives, dates puree with red wine, few carrot tops, and finish it with amazing red wine sauce. So I hope you enjoyed today's steak recipe, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you wanna learn more about fine dining cooking at home, check out the links in the description down below. And if you're still not subscriber, click the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new videos, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.